Guy comes to my shop, says, I found you on Google. It takes me to your website where I see a YouTube video on ceramic coating. The production value looks good, but I don't have 20 minutes. Can you give it to me in 2? No problem. Ceramic coat is a concentrated form of SiO2, and when applied to a surface, crystallizes, bonds, and becomes a new sacrificial layer. It's extremely durable, resistant to weather, solvents, and corrosion. First step, we wash and decontaminate your vehicle. Even if you frequently wash, there are deep embedded contaminants and industrial fallout metals in your paint. Next, we polish. The combination of daily driving in road debris and improper washing with less than professional tools and drive-through car wash brushes results in micro swirls and scratches in your clear coat. Back to the durability of ceramic, we have to decontaminate and polish because once we apply this layer, it is going to lock in the look and condition of the paint and is extremely difficult to remove. Ultimately, the benefits of ceramic are to extend the visual appeal of your paint, and because of its hydrophobic properties, washing and maintenance becomes a breeze, saving you time and maximizing the experience with your ride. Lastly, it's the one detail package that I offer that can be reported to your VIN and actually adds value to your vehicle, which you benefit from when you later trade or sell, making this truly a great investment. Now, doing my best to underpromise and overdeliver, this was a reflection of the service that you will receive at Legacy Dent Company. Now, if you'd like some more information on ceramic coating, make sure that you click the video link in the description box below or right here in the iCard. Thank you so much for all of the love and support. If you like this video, then like this video. Get down into the comment section down below, share some knowledge, make some friends, share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. I have tons of plans for this channel in the future. God bless.